What's going on, my beautiful people? My name is Courtney Gatlin. I've been YouTubing for 7 years. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you 4 things that killed my channel's growth. Come take a walk with me. I was 35 years old the first time I pressed record and I hit publish here on YouTube. I didn't even know I was building a coaching practice. That was something that came secondary. The first thing that I was doing was actually just trying to find my community and support what I was going through in that moment. I just so happened to build a coaching practice after that. The monetization came secondary to finding my community, and my authenticity is what helped me do it. Today I'm gonna tell you 4 things that is killing your growth if you're feeling like you're not getting the traction that you feel you deserve for your message that you have to deliver. The first habit is buying views. I'm going to put this on the screen for you guys. Let me know if you see it. Give me a thumbs up if you see what I have to share with you about my experience from buying views early on. First off, it's a violation of YouTube's terms of service. I got out lucky on that one. I may not be. They may see this and be like, oh, we're taking that channel down. It is what it is, but I want to share that experience with you guys. What you'll see is there was an initial boost. It jumped. Right? It jumped, but then it went back down. Where did I get these views from? I don't know if Fiverr is still a thing right now, or if it's still a thing, a service that they offer, but I had someone help me with those views. I didn't buy subscribers. I knew better than that. That's one thing I did know, but I did buy views, and it hurt the channel. It hurt my growth. It did not give me the boost that I thought it would give me. The second mistake that I made was also from Fiverr, hiring the wrong editors. I was hiring people that I thought would be on brand, but they totally were off brand. What I mean by that is I saw a certain type of editing style that I thought would work for me, and it absolutely didn't. It made me feel uncomfortable watching myself being played back on some of these editing jobs that other people did for me. That's part of the reason why. It's you know what? Now that I think about it, that might be one of the reasons why I haven't grown even larger, because you see these content creators that have these massive editing teams, people who they pay a lot of money to package them in a way that they want to be packaged so they can deliver the message that they want to deliver or sell whatever they're trying to sell, right? Courses, whatever. The problem with that is it's almost like you're a cover band, right? Someone else has this massive hit, and then you go in and you try to repeat that formula, but you're just a cover band. You're not someone that they see as the actual natural creator of whatever art that you're playing. And that's kind of how I felt. I felt like I was playing someone else's role. The third thing, deleting videos. Deleting videos, like I said in my last video, if you guys have been following me, once I deleted videos, unpublished videos, unlisted, it took the views away. And when it took the views away, it confused the algorithm. This can be good. Let's say you post a video about finger painting, but you're not a finger painting channel. And that finger painting video goes viral, gets you what's viral these days. There's been some real craziness happening on YouTube lately as far as views. We don't really know what viral is anymore because we're trying to get our bearings here. They say it goes viral, 10,000 views, right? And your channel is now known for finger painting. You can't sell coaching, you can't sell a course on a channel that's known for finger painting, unless you become an expert in finger painting and you want to give courses on finger, right? You get what I'm trying to say. The fourth thing is brand confusion. When I show my kids my new channel, my daughter, she's 17, she was like, this is kind of like a vlog. We like vlogs. And I was like, you know what? First off, YouTube was created first to be a dating app. The little fact about YouTube, It was a dating app at first. And it was more vlog style content. But after a while, it turned into this hyper production. And I think it's starting to, the pendulum swinging back to more raw, authentic, little editing style videos, because that's where the authenticity lies. I talked about teleprompting. It's a hard skill. That video, I'll link that to the next video. What do I mean by brand confusion? Inconsistent thumbnails, chasing other people's thumbnails, inconsistent posting, inconsistent length of videos, inconsistency in the pacing of your videos. And that's brand confusion. For example, if you were to go to your favorite restaurant, I'm a person that really likes what I like. You know, my wife says sometimes, like, why don't you try something different? Like, this is tried and true. But if I was to go to my favorite restaurant and they had 3 different chefs in the kitchen each time I go, and the dish that I order is never the same, I probably won't go back to that. I look at my old videos and I'm like, wow, this is insane. I had ring lights in my glasses in certain videos. I talked about that too. There might be a little bit of ADHD-ness that I may have. I get happy feet. I have some where I'm walking, some where I'm in my living room, some where I'm in my bedroom, some where I'm in my sunroom. And I was like, there's no consistency in this. So if you're someone that is trying to build your brand, I would invest in, they have something called brand DNA. I would say invest in that if you can, or binge as much as that content as you can. You don't even have to buy it. Just binge the content and really figure out what is the pulse of your channel, who you are, your authentic self. This content, this channel, Courtney Gatlin brand is the most authentic me. I hope you guys can find the most authentic you. Love you guys. I thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.